Watch till the end to get a special treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
In this video, we are going to learn how to change the text in a monogram. So I have this properly sized, 12 inches wide. Now I'm just going to grab my zoom tool here and we're just going to zoom in a little. In a previous video, I showed how to set this menu up. So if you haven't watched that video, go back and watch that one on how to set your defaults for Inkscape. So I'm just going to grab the text tool here. And I'm just going to grab a font that I like. Now, when you click these, it's going to give you a preview of what that's going to look like down here. So you can just scroll through until you find something that you like. You know, I'm just going to go with this one. So I'm going to grab the text tool over here, click it, put it over here, and we're just going to write out our name. My last name is Wotan, so I just typed that out. Now, it's important to go back up here. Once you have that written out, go up here and click your selection toolbox, and that way you can pull this and resize it. Now, I have the lock aspect ratio button ticked, and when I'm doing the text, I uncheck that so that I can distort this text and make sure, you know, and put it where I want to put it. So we're going to put it, you know, about right here to where it looks good. Now, in order to center the text, we're going to click the text one time. It's going to put this little dotted box around it. We're going to hold Shift, click our monogram. Now it puts a little dotted line around both of them. Then we're going to go up here to Path and go to, that highlights both of them. Alternatively, you can just grab the corner here and just highlight the whole thing and it'll also select them both. Then we're going to go back up here to our Align and Distribute tool, and we are just going to center it vertically and center it horizontally. Now you see how it made that jump all around? That's because I have this set relative to page. Now if yours starts doing that, I would make it relative to first selected. So let's do that again. So let's put this back where we might want it. We're just going to highlight both of these. So we're just going to center it vertically, and that puts this right in the middle of this. Now with both of these selected, we're going to go up here to Path, Union. And that didn't work. And the reason it didn't work is because this is a group of two objects. It's not one drawing. It's two separate ones held together. So if yours ever does this, you can see down here with this highlighted, you can see that it says group of two objects. Now, in order to get them to separate, watch what happens here. We're going to hold Control, Shift, hold Control and Shift down, and we're going to hit G. Until that says no groups there. Now you see that separated those into separate pieces. Now we can highlight all of them. Go back up here to Path and hit Union, and now that is all one piece, and we will move on to the next lesson.
What if I told you that mastering CNC plasma sign design and becoming a master at sales and marketing your work doesn't require expensive software or years of experience? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tools, the right tutorials, and a proven step-by-step roadmap. I built my CNC plasma business from the garage with a 2-foot by 2-foot plasma table up to a 5,000 square foot full-blown metal fab shop, and now I'm giving away the exact tools and pathway to how I did it. Inside is all of the information I wish I had when I first started 7 years ago. This includes a free Inkscape drawing tutorial video set that teaches you how to draw, design, and prep your files for plasma cutting like a pro, start to finish. And I'm also unlocking access to our CNC Plasma Sales Masterclass, where you'll learn how to turn your hobby into a full-blown, profitable business. When you click the link below, you'll get instant access to our step-by-step Inkscape training, ready-to-cut SVG sign files, our Plasma sign pricing calculator, a free QuickBooks Masterclass to track your sales, our complete CNC Plasma business roadmap, and my exclusive member-only content that I will never post on YouTube. Inside, you'll find tons of downloadable files and private video lessons waiting for you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you're tired of endlessly searching YouTube, and ready to finally build a CNC plasma business that pays you what you're worth so that you can go full-time and quit your day job, you can escape the rat race just like I did, and I'm going to show you how. Click the link below in the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.